online money making scams? Do they exist? And if so, how do you avoid them? What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about online money making scams. Usually when people, you hear this phrase when people who have either been trying to make money online with stuff and they haven't made any money because of maybe things they've done or didn't do, or you hear this from people who legitimately been scammed, right? But first of all, that word, or that sentence, online money making scam, it's like a broad statement, right? Because are there scammers online? Absolutely, just like there's scammers in real life. You know what I mean? It's like they're out there. I think there's scammers in every element in life. Unfortunately, that's just how it is. But I think why the whole online scammers thing is because I think the ease of being able to scam somebody online, I think it probably happens a lot to people because of the fact when people are searching for, say, make money online opportunities, a lot of times people are not desperate, but they want something they feel that's easy. They want something that is necessarily quick. You know what I'm saying? They want something that is easy to understand, just makes sense. So when you see stuff like, hey, make $500 a week clicking on an email, like initially, without you really thinking about it, that sounds incredible, right? I mean, most people open the emails anyway, so your average person could be like, damn, I know how to click on an email. $500 a week, oh my God, $2,000 a month, I'm sold, right? So you have systems out, not systems, but there's things out there like that, that are very, very misleading, and that's not gonna, make people the money that they see. Now, I think, in my opinion, everybody has their own take, but a scam, in my opinion, an online money making scam, is that if somebody offers something and when you get it, it's nothing like they advertised, right? Like if you get a course or a program and you pay $47 and it says it's going to teach you how to make $500 a day to click on something, and you get the book and it talks about feeding cats and dogs, that's a scam. You got, right? I'm being drastic, but that's what I mean. Like if you buy something and it's nothing related to what they were saying, that's a scam. Or, which is obvious, but like if you see the sales page and they're talking about this to do this or make this amount of money, click on the PayPal link, and you click on the link, you give money and you receive nothing, then that's a scam. Kind of like with that fitness girl. I forget her name, but the fitness girl, Brittany, I think it's Brittany something, but she was in the news a couple months ago because people were buying her course, her fitness course, and they weren't receiving anything, right? Because she ain't do nothing. But that's like a scam, okay? So those things are out there. They're not out there as much as they used to be, like 8-9 years ago. They still exist, but you got to kind of use your common sense sometimes when you see stuff like that. There is no program that you can literally only click an email link, you know what I mean, and get $500 a week, because everybody will be doing it. There will be no more factory workers. There will be no more secretaries. There won't even be no more people working in fast food. Nothing if you could get paid for just clicking, on an email and stuff like that. So that you got to use common sense at first because they're out there, but you just got to think about it. Another scam are like work from home opportunities where they tell you to pay, $100, and you're gonna make $20 an hour or $100 an hour. Stuff like that is just not realistic. You shouldn't, like a legit work from home job, hourly position should not charge you any money to work. If you one of the people who want to work hourly, or even like on a bonus system or commission based system, but it's for a company, um, you should not have to pay for that. Maybe some of these companies out here do charge you for a background check that they'll take out of your first check or whatever. But a work from home job should not have to, you shouldn't have to pay. And there are scams out there who will uh, sit there and say, oh, pay us this, and you'll have the job. You know what I'm saying? You have the job. Nah, that's not real. Um, so now, granted, when the other side of that, yes, courses, starting your online business, network marketing, affiliate marketing, stuff like that. Yes, there are money fees, that could be paid out for either to gain access to the system, the software, or you're paying for a course that will teach you a money making method. But those types of things are for people that want to be their own boss. You're an entrepreneur and you don't want to do the whole work from home. But there's a lot of work from home job scams out there. But guys, you can avoid it by just using common sense. Now let me tell you this. This is what's not a scam. Okay? What's not a scam is when you get a course, and you just, you go over it and everything, and you just don't like it, right? And that's not a scam. It's not a scam if you get like a product or a course or something, and yeah, it was advertised to make you some money, but once you got inside the course, it was, more to it, than was advertised, but it's still based off of what it was advertised. To me, that's not a scam. It's borderline, but I think a lot of these courses, I talk about it all the time, a lot of these courses, they are being sold to people that to be extremely easy, right? Extremely easy. And then people buy the course, and once they get inside the course, it's like way more stuff, way more steps to it, and they're like, man, what the hell, I ain't doing this. Like this is nothing like the sales page I read. They didn't say nothing about it's going to take, just like a lot of courses, like, oh, start making money overnight, start making money in the morning, right? And then you get the course, and the stuff that they teach you can't be done, overnight, right? That's not a scam, borderline, but that's not a scam because some of the methods actually do work. You just have to put in more effort than they actually kind of led you to believe, right? But like I said, a scam is when you're not getting, what you paid for, or not getting at all, or being completely misled. That's a scam. The good news is, guys, there are a lot of legit money-making opportunities out there. There's way more legit money-making opportunities out there than there are scams, especially this day and age. But now when you use your common sense, anytime you listen to something, even if you listen to me or another YouTuber or read something, do your research, especially when something sounds way too good to be true. Go online, like search for reviews. And when you come for a product, obviously when you search for reviews, you're going to see a lot of good stuff because a lot of people are promoting that product. But you got to just dig a little deeper. Don't be afraid to email the creators of these opportunities. Email people, don't be afraid to reach out to their customer support. A lot of times, it's just people just being in that shiny object syndrome mode where they see something and they just buy it and don't even think nothing about it, and you end up being, you end up feeling scammed because you didn't know exactly what you were getting into. So if you're serious about making money online and everything, I would suggest just researching stuff. Like me, I'm in Genesity. I talk about that all the time. It is a network marketing / affiliate marketing company. It's a legit business. It is. But a lot of people, I think, hop into it expecting to do absolutely no work. You can actually make passive income, from Genesity. Other opportunities out there. Perfect example, like that Expert Secrets. I just did a review on that book, Expert Secrets book. That is a legit, method. Oh, my computer just went out. Hold on. Come back. Yeah. That is a legit, book that teaches you how to make money online, how to build an online business. And that's definitely not a scam. So, guys, like I said, on my channel, I try to, when I get reviews or give reviews and stuff, I try to keep it as real as possible, and stay away from like scam type opportunities and stuff like that. So if you enjoy this video at all and you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to your channel, because I'm always dropping content. If you have any questions, leave them below, comment. It's all good. Like, I've been doing internet marketing for over 10 years. All right, so I'm not a millionaire, nothing like that, but I do know stuff about, making money online. And yes, I have opportunities, and I'm always looking for good opportunities. A lot of stuff is garbage. I don't mess with it. But I'm here to help out. If you have a question about certain programs or whatever, if I know about it, I'll talk about, answer it, or I'll even do a video on it. But we all in this together, guys. So like I said, you got any questions, shoot them below, and be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video, but I want to know, how successful do you want to be online? What if you can earn a full-time income teaching others stuff that you already know? Want to learn how to do it? Click the link in the description.